Welcome to NASYA COLLYER YouTube channel. Today I like to share with you the video that I wearing an evening dress to going to the kitchen for cooking and eating and cleaning. So do you have this experience before? Looking glamorous, just going to the kitchen and fully dressed up. Here we go, and I hope you guys like it, and please give me a comment in my comment section. Yeah, respectful comment will be really appreciated. Okay, here I do a little bit of makeup first before actually I fully dressed up. And I hope you guys not get bored to see me getting ready. Here I just like to put a little bit makeup because it will be a dinner time. So I'm making smoky eyes without putting eyelashes. My husband likes it. And there you go. Yep. And this video I just try to make it fast and skip it. So be patient and just watch until finish. It maybe there is some recipe that you can copy at home for your own meal. Alright, now time for my hair to be done. And then have a look. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What I'm gonna do with my hair? It look like rambut singa. Yes, what hair? But maybe I just do something nice and little bit updo as usual. So yeah, have a look what I'm doing. Yeah, I confused. What shall I do with my hair? What shall I do with my hair? Tick tock. Yes, I know what I'm doing. Alright, so because I'm gonna wear the bling dress and it's so shiny, and it's better to have the hair is updo and easy for me to moving around without having to worry the hair will be go everywhere. And then let's continue to the video. Oke, mari kita spray dikit. Pakai hairspray biar nggak berantakan. I use the hairspray a little bit to make my hair stay where they are. Hopefully they will not falling down over everywhere. And this is a good idea to lock them up. Right, I'm done. And yes, I'm finished. Dress up, makeup, and hair up. udah dandan, udah pakai baju. Ini produk NASYA COLLYER evening dress. So glitter, look glitter sekali ya. Nah tuh, walau di rumah mau dinner tapi nggak apa-apa ya. Kita agak lebay sedikit. Oh. Oke, sekarang saya akan potong-potong ini. Sini deh. Look at this. Mundur deh. Tuh, ini untuk motong si daging. Ya. Hasil masakannya. Dan ini adalah si sayuran tadi. Sekarang kita akan potong-potong si lem. Oke? Ya. Ini tadi bawang putihnya yang kita bersihkan, terus kita panggang nih ya. Sayurannya kita singkirkan dulu, put on the side. Wow, look.
Ooh.
Big lamb.
Yeah, big lamb.
Big lamb leg.
Big lamb, big leg, big bone.
Wow. Some more this sauce. Perfecto. Oke, itulah tadi hasil masakan kambing guling panggang ala NASYA COLLYER. Dan ini is a British food. Nah, untuk orang Indonesia bisa pakai cabai potong, bawang merah potong, sama kecap manis. Jadi kayak sate kambing atau kambing guling. Kalau ini kan kambing bule. Oke, aku makan dulu ya. Nah, itulah tadi sedikit video aku tentang dress up and nowhere to go except cooking in the kitchen part 1. Nah, nanti akan ada video aku yang part 2-nya ya. Nah, stay tune dan please kasih komen tentang video ini. Apa menurut pendapat kalian? Oke, terima kasih. Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa di subscribe ya, dan tonton juga video-video kami yang lainnya. Terima kasih.